Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to convert your presentation on the Keynote application to a GIF using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this. Now go to Open, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go back to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Export to. As you can see in the previous tutorials, we have converted to PDF, PowerPoint, and movie. Now we will be converting to an animated GIF. Click on this. And now we can choose from, let's just say, slide 1 to however many we have. I'll just say slide 5. Resolution, we can choose from small, medium, large to extra large. The frame rate, let's just keep it to 30 frames per second. And auto advance, timing applies to click events for advancing to the next slide or build. Let's just keep that to 1 second. Now click on next. This will now allow us to save to a selected folder. As we can see, we have desktop as the final destination for presentation.gif. Click on export. This will now be exported to the desktop. There we go. Let's now minimize the Keynote application for the moment. So if I were to, let's just say, click on presentation.gif, what would happen is preview would open up with all these photos on screen. If I were to, let's just say, press the arrow down key continuously, as you can see, it's now changing, as a GIF is just a collection of images, like a moving image. So let's now quit preview. Let's now click on presentation.gif and use the spacebar to watch the GIF on screen. So we can now press the spacebar again. So let's now go all the way down to the dock, go back to Keynote, quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.